Welcome back, everyone. Scott here from the Weiss Earth Science Museum. My job at this facility is collections manager. Parts of the task that I have are unpacking boxes of donated specimens, some of which have been here for a few years and haven't been cataloged. Down here are specimens that I have recently put numbers on. Over there are specimens that still need numbers. Aside from cataloging, one of the most important things that I do is monitoring the security and safety of the specimens, which includes things that other people may not consider if you don't regularly work with rock and mineral specimens. To better understand this, let's take a look in the collections of a few of the tasks that I have to do every day when I'm here. Inside this door, in our collection storage, is one clipboard and some other equipment that we have to use to monitor things in this collection. On this list for the days that I record our information include temperature and humidity readings. Those factors matter with storing specimens. Along the top here, currently we have a temperature of 67.2 degrees because it's winter. 15.5% humidity is ideal. The more dry it is, the better, largely because of some of the mineral specimens which are very vulnerable to humidity. Stored in this case are a few mineral specimens that are particularly prone to high humidity should it ever get too damp in our storage. Now this specimen is common and most of you have it in your household at all times. It's a mineral called halite, but you probably know it as common rock salt. In the bottom drawer, we have a very, very large cube-shaped halite crystal. If you were to take salt from your shaker at home and look at it under a microscope or a magnifying glass, you will see that they always form a small cube shape. Now this specimen was part of our teaching collection and it has sustained some damage from humidity. Samples of really well-preserved halite have crisp cut edges. This specimen is rounded from having been partially melted due to humid conditions. We saved this specimen because A, it is a very large crystal, and B, it exhibits some of the features that are important for collection management. And that is what I do here. That'll do it for us today here at the Weiss Earth Science Museum. Again, my name is Scott and I'm the collection manager, and I will see you again very soon.